Yes, that's right. All the high-quality ceramics on a Big Green Egg are covered under a lifetime warranty. Not 5 years, not 10, none of that nonsense. Lifetime. That means you're going to have it forever. This is an investment. You buy a Big Green Egg, you're never going to need another grill. The entire warranty is on our website. Take a look at it. Make sure you register your Big Green Egg. If you should ever need our great support, your authorized dealer is going to take care of it right there, hassle-free. But you got to buy from an authorized dealer. Don't buy from an unauthorized dealer. If you do, you go to a discount chain or a warehouse club or a third-party online seller. Those are not authorized dealers. Your warranty will not work. Go to biggreenegg.com and take a look at our dealer locator. Make sure you're buying from an authorized dealer. Then you can sit back, relax with peace of mind, knowing you have a lifetime warranty on your Big Green Egg.